You've seen this shape your entire life. You probably use it every day, and yet almost no one ever asks why it looks the way it does. Because once you really think about it, it's actually kind of strange. Toilet seats all look almost identical: oval, open in the middle, rounded edges. Whether you're in a home, a hotel, an airport, or a restaurant, the shape barely changes, which is unusual because bathroom design has evolved a lot over time. But this one object hasn't. So why? Most people assume the shape is just obvious. It's round because it has to be. It's open because it needs to be, end of story. But if that were true, there wouldn't be so much consistency. Different cultures, different manufacturers, different budgets, yet the shape stays the same. That's usually a sign that something deeper is going on. To understand the shape, you need to understand what toilet seats are designed to do. Not just one thing, several things at once. They need to be comfortable, hygienic, safe, easy to clean, and fit as many people as possible. That's a difficult balance, and the shape plays a bigger role than you might think. The oval shape isn't about aesthetics, it's about anatomy. Human bodies vary a lot: height, weight, posture. An oval shape provides flexibility. It supports different sitting positions without sharp edges or pressure points. A perfectly round seat would be more restrictive. A square one would be uncomfortable. The oval shape is the best compromise: comfort without precision. The opening in the middle serves a very practical purpose. Actually several. First, hygiene. The opening reduces contact between the body and the seat. Less surface contact means easier cleaning and less bacteria transfer. Second, alignment. The opening helps guide waste into the bowl. Without it, spills and splashes would be more common. Now look at public restrooms. Many toilet seats aren't fully oval, they're U-shaped, with a gap at the front. This isn't a cost-cutting decision, it's intentional. That front gap reduces contact even further. It improves hygiene, and it makes cleaning faster for staff. In high-traffic areas, that matters a lot. Once manufacturers found a shape that worked, it became standardized. Plumbing systems, bowl dimensions, seat attachments, everything started being built around the same proportions. Changing the shape would mean redesigning entire systems, which is expensive. So the shape stayed. Not because it's perfect, but because it works well enough. Good design disappears. When something works consistently, you stop thinking about it. That's exactly what happened here. You only notice it if it's wrong, too small, too sharp, too unstable. Otherwise, it does its job quietly. You see this kind of design logic everywhere. Keyboard layouts, door handles, light switches. Once a solution balances comfort, safety, and cost, it sticks, even if it's not perfect. The toilet seat is a classic example of that. So why are toilet seats shaped like this? Not because it's obvious, not because no one bothered to change it, but because the shape solves multiple human problems at once. Comfort, hygiene, efficiency, standardization, all wrapped into one simple design. Next time you see one, you'll probably notice it differently. Not because it looks strange, but because now you know why it exists.